In design verification engineer video in the description, I have given one link like a GitHub link. So in that GitHub link, I have provided the PDF day by day what you want to learn from scratch to advanced level. In this video, I am going to clearly given what you want to learn first week like day one. So you already learned this topic in your diploma or in your BTech level. If you want to join in any VLSI courses like physical designing, RTL, design verification engineer, so you should have the basic knowledge. Okay, so day one, what do you want to learn? So number system and binary arithmetic. Like number system is binary conversion, decimal and octal, hexadecimal. These are the number system we have in the digital electronics. Like, okay, so number system you should thoroughly prepared in that fundamental logics. Okay, and also conversions, you can convert between these systems like for example groups of 3 binary bits correspond to the 1 octal bit, like, okay. And another one is binary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, you're gonna thoroughly prepare in this concept. And day 2, logic gates, truth table, like on the operation, or operation, not operation, universal gates, NAND, NOR, and on the another gates like XOR, XNOR. You can get the something knowledge about these not gates also. And you're gonna prepare truth table also. Okay, representation of tabular columns. Okay, and day 3 you're gonna prepare the combination blocks. So what we have, multiplexers, encoders, decoders, like we have that one. So you're gonna prepare these concepts also. Okay, and in multiplexers we have different kind of multiplexers, 2 into 1, 4 into 1, 16 into 1. You can prepare this multiplexer concept also. Okay, and coming to the decoders, encoders, going to the day 4. In day 4 you're gonna prepare notes for adders and comparators, and you may be verify some GATE previous papers also. Adder and full adder related to some questions are given in the GATE exams also. Okay, so check out that previous question paper, whatever the concept related to the half adder and full adder, and you can solve that problems also. Then you can get something knowledge to that one. Okay, and coming to the comparators. In comparators we have combination circuits that compares the magnitude to binary numbers. Okay, determine the greater or less than or equal. Okay, so 1-bit comparator, 3-bit comparator, you can prepare that concept also. Now coming to the day 5. So in day 5, latches and flip-flops. Okay, and flip-flops like JK, SR flip-flop, master slave flip-flop, like different kind of flip-flops we have, right? So now coming to the day 6, you have to thoroughly prepare with registers and counters. Okay, so in registers like 8-bit register, 16-bit register, 32-bit register. Okay, and also shift registers we have, right? So you can prepare that concept also. And coming to the counters, counters related concepts, whatever I'm telling this concept, you can check out the YouTube videos. Like so for example, if you want to prepare counter related subject, you can check out the videos like some kind of tutorials we have, right? So you can check out that video and you can prepare your notes only, right? So once you thoroughly prepare with the counters, registers, whatever I have told the previous, right? So you can thoroughly prepare this concept. Now coming to the day 7. So in day 7 concept is clock and reset, setup, hold time. So this is the first week of digital verification engineer preparation notes. Okay, you can prepare this concept. Okay, and you can share our videos with your friends or colleagues. Okay, so those who are willing to join in VLSI. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.